The videos that I'm going to be showing you are of me changing my positive crankcase ventilation valve on the top of my motor. It's the little things that really make a big difference, like the center console latch. That drove me crazy, the fact that that thing did not stay closed. I kind of wanted to replace that. I'm going to show you the positive crankcase ventilation valve being replaced, and then I'll be back to tell you. So the positive crankcase ventilation valve just needed to be replaced. It was always stuck closed. That thing was so stuck, it was unbelievable. It was causing some drivability issues, so I had to replace it. For the last thing, with all things considered, I could not stand my center console. It was driving me crazy that thing didn't latch down. So what I did was I went out and I took from that car, from my last auto video or my last Lancer video, and I took the center console. Only the things that lock together, because that's all you really needed. The one that I had didn't have the little hook in it, so it wouldn't stay down. It would just vibrate on my arm, and I do not want a massage every time I drive. So I needed to replace it, and I'm just so glad that that's fixed now, because that drove me crazy. Sometimes it's the little things that make a huge difference, I'll tell you. Without further ado, I'll show you that one. I hope you enjoyed watching these videos. The things that I did with the car are with simple hand tools, nothing too major. You can do these at home, as you can tell as I'm doing, simple hand tools at home, nothing else. Or you can go have somebody do it for $60, $70, depending on what you feel. But hopefully somebody can take away from some of this in this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry about my voice. I was yelling a lot yesterday and I can hardly speak. I was told not to speak, and that is just, I'm avoiding speaking so much. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll have another camera or car video up next.
I love the plate.